Many people believe that if a person just speaks Dutch to you, then many people believe that then automatically you will pick up the language all by yourself. And many courses are also based on that principle. So there is someone standing in front of you and it says blah, 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 blah. And probably the teacher is talking about samengestelde zinnen met nevenschikkende voegwoorden. And once again, if you hear a person speak Dutch to you and if you don't understand it, there's no way for you to pick it up. I personally believe that many courses are torture. I think they are a violation of human rights. And actually it's quite easy to feel overwhelmed because if people only speak Dutch to you, for example, if there's nothing that you understand and if it just goes on and on and on and on, what I've seen too many times, unfortunately, is that many people say, okay, this is enough for me, I don't like it, I don't want to learn it anymore. And the thing is, if you're just willing to change certain things, then all of a sudden speaking Dutch will be a lot easier.